Hello everyone, it's 26th February. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have: will not let anyone defame institutions, CGI on NCRT book. Then we have NCRT stops book sale, regret hold judiciary in highest esteem. Then we have linked by blood and sacrifice, bad Gaza peace, PM to Israel parliament. Again important for international issues perspective. Then we have cop versus cops in Himachal after Delhi police picks up 3 KIYC men. Again important for security perspective. Then we have couple who hurled racial slurs at 3 women from Arunachal held. Again important for society perspective. Then we have next section 3 languages in class 6. English can be a foreign option. Again important for society perspective. Then we have Milan concludes INS Vikrant, India's indigenous aircraft carrier during the closing ceremony of exercise Milan 2026. Again important for defense perspective. Then we have Maharashtra's beat puts eye in the sky too as it seeks to erase cheating blot on its report card. Again important. Then we have NGT has space for experts. Most of them now are former government officers. Then we have 2020 to 2025 in 4 out of 5 appeals. Green Watchdog National Green Tribunal rules in favor of developers in clear projects. Again important for environment as well as infrastructure perspective. Then we have the editorial page where we have in US tariff judgment how judiciary drew the red line. Again important for international issues perspective. Then we have India's recent defense surge is not a sign of militarism, it is a sign of maturity. Again important for defense perspective. Then we have the explain page where we have Trump says US economy is booming and data is mixed. Again important for economy perspective. Then we have HPV vaccine drive is key to battling cervical cancer. Again important for health perspective. Then we have with IEEPA tariffs ruled illegal, who can claim refunds and how. Then we have Bangladesh backed a key reform charter, implementing it will be a challenge. Again important for international issues perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have US import duties on Indian solar panels may hit domestic OEMs. Then we have Reliance Industries restructures AI arm, Meta picks up 30% stake. Then private corporate sector net profit growth halves in Q3. All these news are important for economic perspective. Then lastly we have the world page where we have in State of the Union Trump lays out case for possible attack on Iran. Again important for international issues perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.